Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video.
This idiot doesn't understand a yield sign. So close to making the light. I just don't understand. Are they high? Apparently, buses don't need to obey stop signs. Not sure if they were just an idiot or if they hydroplaned, but it was definitely scary. I guess that's one way to park. Hopefully no one got hurt from this tire. Can't read the plate myself, but maybe someone else can. Any recommendations?
My parents decided to open up a restaurant, and things get weird. No one quoted the
Always use your mirrors while turning. Nobody ever tries to go first, so how can you? Couldn't be bothered to take an extra 15 seconds to go down to the traffic circle and come back.
You're going the wrong way down a one-way street. You need to turn around. It's a one-way street. It's one way. It's one-way street, Tom.
They think they can do whatever they want. This driver thought it was clear to cross and ended up hitting the woman in the lane to my right as well. Good thing I kept a safe following distance. Some people have no patience. This idiot thinks he's more important than everyone else.
A few moments later.
This was a minor encounter, and I might have overreacted, but it's a good reminder to always double-check when a large vehicle is blocking your view. Death wishes on wheels. Didn't see the first one coming at all. Lucky I didn't accelerate too quickly. This driver flips me off twice because I'm stuck behind a gridlock. Thought I'd make a casual pass while no one was around.
A few moments later.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.